Initially, the tea seeds are cleaned to remove any impurities such as dust, stones, or other debris. This step ensures that only pure seeds enter the subsequent stages of processing. Following cleaning, the seeds are crushed into smaller pieces to increase the surface area exposed for oil extraction. The crushed seeds are then steamed and cooked. The core of the process lies in the screw press, where mechanical pressure is applied to extract the oil from the cooked seed material. The principle here involves the application of high pressure using rotating screws within a confined chamber. As the material moves through the press, the oil is squeezed out while the solid residue, known as cake, remains behind. The temperature generated during pressing can influence the flavor and characteristics of the extracted oil. Finally, the crude oil undergoes filtration to remove any remaining particles and impurities, resulting in clear, high-quality tea seed oil. Filtration may involve multiple stages, including sedimentation and refining, to achieve the desired clarity and purity. Throughout the entire process, maintaining appropriate conditions such as temperature, pressure, and moisture content is vital for maximizing both the quantity and quality of the final product. This meticulous approach ensures that the end result is not only nutritious but also rich in flavor and aroma.